Damon here with ign-news. Layoffs unfortunately hit Sony Santa Monica Studio today. The Sony-owned exclusive developer, founded in 1999, is best known for its God of War games. The extent of the damage remains unclear, though there are indications that one of the projects the studio was working on has been cancelled alongside this round of layoffs. Sony has provided the following statement to IGN. SCEA can confirm that we have completed a reduction in workforce at Santa Monica Studio. This is a result of a cycle of resource realignment against priority growth areas within Sony Computer Entertainment worldwide studios. We do not take these decisions lightly. However, sometimes it is necessary to make changes to better serve the future projects of the studio. We've offered outplacement services and severance packages to ease transition for those impacted. Santa Monica's most recently released game was God of War Ascension. It has also been working on The Order 1886. We'll continue following this story here at IGN.